We are hearing more frogs, followed by these things. And there's a geese. There's a goose. Duck. I know. There's one that looks like a duckling and looks like a normal one. I could hear croaking. I see a man up behind. How are you doing? We're just on a walk right now. Have a great day, because I didn't hear your voice, but have a good day. Well, oh, he just heard me. Okay. We are hearing lots of croaks. What?
Slow down, buddy.
Okay. Sorry. I just wanted to hear them. I love frogs. And they're the cutest. I love frogs. We just saw a man.
Yeah, he goes to cadets with Marlo.
Oh, yeah.
And I used to work with his mom.
We're still hearing croaking from the back view. They are beautiful.
The bird with the yellow head.
Yeah, the same one.